Good morning, Robert Scribbler here, remote in the mountains with the OBX wave report here for this Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to everybody. Happy holidays to everybody wherever you are. I hope you all are enjoying a wonderful day, regardless of your views and outlooks. Just much love and peace, wishings of peace and goodwill to everyone today on this beautiful Christmas Day. I, of course, am remote here in the mountains, so I am going to be providing you with the remote wave report for the Outer Banks. But wherever you are, I hope you guys get out and enjoy some good surfing conditions. If not today, over the next couple of days, I'm going to be out on the 27th for my belated surf session. All right, so let's talk about some of the conditions in the Outer Banks overall. Waves are in the range of about 2 to 4 foot, and conditions are slightly choppy. Nonetheless, the waves are rideable. We've got light to moderate northeast winds and a swell ranging from 2.5 to 3.5 feet coming out of the east. Most swell periods are in the range of about 11 seconds. All right, so let's look at the local conditions provided by the wave monitors, provided by the WaveWatch 3 model, and provided by data from buoys as well as National Weather Service. Right now at Nag's Head, we've got 2 to 3 foot plus waves with slightly choppy conditions, an occasional 4-footer thrown into the mix. Swell coming in out of the east at 2.5 foot and 11 seconds. Northeast winds light at 9 miles per hour. Air temperatures 52 degrees. Ocean water temperatures ranging between 49 and 53. We are looking forward to a low tide in the Outer Banks between 12 and 1 p.m. for the east-facing beaches, and a high tide between 6 and 7 p.m. for the east-facing beaches. Further south in Rodanthe, we've got 3 foot plus waves and slightly choppy conditions with a swell out of the east at 3 foot and 11 seconds. Winds out of the northeast at 13 miles per hour. Air temperatures 53 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures 55, a bit warmer down there in Rodanthe. And then down at Buxton, we've got 2 to 4 foot waves and slightly choppy conditions. Easterly swell at 3.3 foot and 11 seconds. North winds at 13. Air temperatures 54 degrees Fahrenheit. Ocean water temperatures 63. And last of all, at Frisco, we've got 2 to 3 foot plus waves and slightly choppy conditions with an east-southeast swell at 2.6 foot and 11 seconds. General character of the waves are slightly choppy, so not too crazy choppy, not too much to worry about when it comes to chop. A little crumbly with that easterly flow, so these waves are not going to be very hollow, but nonetheless a decent day to get out and go surfing there in the Outer Banks today. And today we do expect those slightly choppy conditions to continue as northeast winds continue to range between 9 and 15 miles per hour. And we're looking forward to a high temperature at around 56, depending on location, of course. For tomorrow, winds are expected to shift toward the east and then toward the southeast, bringing in some warmer air, so temperatures getting up into the upper 50s. Expected high around 58. No, of course, depending on your location, you might see a 60-degree reading here or there. Choppy to slightly choppy conditions with those stronger winds, slightly stronger winds, and 2 to 3 foot plus waves. Very similar conditions to today, but slightly warmer, maybe a little bit choppier, but not too crazy choppy. And then on Wednesday, the southeast winds are expected to strengthen to 12 to 20 miles an hour, generally more choppy conditions, and waves building to 2 to 5 feet on Wednesday. And last of all, on Thursday, it looks like the glacier conditions that were predicted earlier for Wednesday have shifted to Thursday. So we've had a general trend of the glacier conditions shifting toward later in the week. So by Thursday, we expect 2 to 4 foot waves, clean waves and glassy conditions with light southwesterly winds. So we should expect some hollowing out of the waves with those southwesterly winds coming in. Thursday looking like a pretty good day to go get in the water. All right, so thank you for joining me for this Christmas session of the OBX Wave Report. Once again, much love to you and yours, and I hope you're having a wonderful holiday in the spirit of giving and charity. And love and kindness to all here on earth. So much love to you, And I hope you guys do get out in the water, if not today, over the next few days, and enjoy some holiday surf sessions. Thank you once again, and I will be back with you shortly.